Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to teach you how to make my all-time favorite Hmong dessert, Nab Vam. This video will show you how to make just a small portion for you to eat in the comfort of your own home to satisfy your cravings. We're going to start with making the syrup. Add just normal granulated sugar into the pot and have the heat on high. Continue to stir the sugar around, making sure to scrape the bottom so the sugar doesn't caramelize and burn. The sugar will start to melt and become a beautiful golden color. Once it's about 90% golden and caramelized, add just enough water to cover the melted sugar. I like to try and get the water under my sugar crystals to prevent burning. Some folks like to make their syrup extremely thick, but this is all personal preference. I like mine a bit thinner because I always have this in my fridge. I like to keep it stocked so I can add it to dishes, dipping sauces, or papaya. Now we're going to prepare the droplets. This all happens really quickly, so start off with a big bowl of ice water. For the powder, I find that any brand of the steamed pork rice cake packages work fine. Whichever your local store carries should work. I don't do exact measurements, but instead, you'll see here that I get all the flour to the bottom, then eyeball about half the bag. I'll put a rubber band around the bag and store it for next time. Half a bag uses 5 cups of water. Using a whisk, get rid of all the lumps and mix together. Feel free to add whatever color you want at this time. Once the mixture starts to get warm, change over to a spoon. When it starts to solidify, everything goes very quickly. This took me about 6 minutes. Now it helps to have someone to hold the rice steamer top. There are other options too, such as a potato ricer, but this is what I've always used, and this is what I have. Using a spatula, just work the mixture through the bottom holes till the mixture starts to cool and drips out of the bottom very slowly. Scrape off all the remaining mixture and just toss it. Lastly, the tapioca pearls. Get a pot of water on the stove and allow it to come to a rapid boil. I can't stress this enough. It has to be boiling. While stirring the hot water, slowly add the pearls. Feel free to add whatever food color your heart desires. Continue stirring. If you don't, it'll clump and burn at the bottom. Keep on the heat until the whites of the pearls start to become translucent and the water thickens. Sometimes you may need to add a bit more water to prevent burning. Once pearls are ready, remove from the heat and add cold water to stop the cooking process. Pour out the water and repeat 2 to 3 more times or until the pearls are cool enough for you to touch. Now, don't do what I did. Use the strainer. You'll see here that the pearls get stuck on the bottom and it can be a nightmare to remove. Now, let's assemble the dessert. You'll see here that I have many other colors and an assortment of things. I'm still working on these, so I'll post a video about them at a later date. What's important are the droplets, the syrup, and the pearls. Don't forget the coconut milk, ice, and aromatics. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.